Sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban para mapatay, para masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
Ito sa very incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, I may say as a
It's not
civilian, sa professional police.
It depends on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang
tayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator,
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Blado.
Your Honor.
Silence, please.